Okay, so in this video I am going to go over how to enter in utility data into Portfolio Manager using their spreadsheet feature. So this is meant as a supplementary video if you want to learn how to use Portfolio Manager, get started with Portfolio Manager and so forth. There are videos on their website, or if you're in my class, there are some videos posted to the class website. So this is an existing property. As you can probably see, I have already entered in utility data into this property. But you can use this for a fresh property. So the first time you're entering in your utility data, you can use this process. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, just like you would if you're a new property, I'm going to click Add a Meter. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a sample here. So I'm just going to enter in electric. Say I'm purchased from the grid. Again, if you want to learn how to do this from start to finish, there's another video that's posted. So now I've added a meter. Okay, so the date the meter became active, I'm just going to pick kind of a random date here because at this point, well, let's go back a year or more. Okay, so I picked my starting date. Now if I hit create meter, one of the nice features of Portfolio Manager is it's really good about giving you error messages and being very specific about what those errors are. So you can see please select the units in which you wanted to report. So I didn't select the units here. So my standard units here, kilowatt hours. Now I hit create meters. Should create my meter for me. And now I need to enter in the utility data. So you could do it the really tedious way and add 1 month at a time. So I could add 1 month at a time by clicking in add entry here. I can enter in my start date, so whatever, type it in manually or pick it out on the drop down. Just do the 1st of 2020 through the end. So you can see this is, I have to go line by line here. Is it an estimate or not, and so on. What's the demand? So this, and then if I wanted to do the next month, I could add another month, do the next date, and so on and on and on. Okay, so that would take a long time. So what I'm going to do actually, and you can delete by checking the boxes here and then hit delete entry, and then it's going to ask you if you're sure. So a much faster way to do it is you can do bulk data in bulk here, and you click on this single use or single meter spreadsheet. So you just click on it and it downloads, and then you open it up and it's already pre-formatted so it understands the rows and columns. So this is really helpful if you've already done a utility analysis, which it's at least for my class, it's likely that you have this, and if you are a utility, you're an energy manager, or you have someone entering in utility data, it's pretty easy to get utility analysis, or excuse me, utility data into a spreadsheet. Okay, so then this pops up. Now this is great. So everything's formatted for you. All you have to do is fill in the cells. And so you can copy and paste from an existing spreadsheet, or you could download this to do your utility analysis in the first place if you want to. But the nice thing about this is it eliminates the possibility that you make incorrect column headings that Portfolio Manager doesn't understand. So it needs to see these column headings in this order, otherwise it's going to give you an error. So the great thing is you can copy and paste, you fill in here, it makes it clear what's optional and not. Okay, and then what you do is when you're done you would save it, and I already have one saved. So you enter it in, then you save it, and what you can do is just click choose file, right, and then so here's the file that I had already saved, so you just double click on that. Okay, and then you just click upload, and the file will upload for you, and you see it automatically populated everything. So instead of typing in all of these manually, I mean, it would have taken forever to do that. So this is actually 3 years of data. So it's a beautiful thing. And then you can just hit continue. Now I've already entered this data, so I'm not going to continue. But that just shows you how you can quickly do that. So you can do that for gas, you can do that for water, you can do that for any of your utility bills. Just download their template, fill it in, and then upload it when you're done. And that should save you a lot of time.